Our mission is to be the catalyst of the autonomy revolution. Autonomous systems are rapidly improving our lives and will continue to shape the future. They drive innovation across every industry and help to address some of the most pressing issues of humankind. From self-driving cars to automated surgeries, manufacturing, agriculture, exploring new frontiers, autonomous systems are key to a safer and more efficient future. While studying at university, it became clear that all navigation systems were using an algorithm from 1967 known as the Kalman filter. This algorithm is used in our smartphones, homes and vehicles, among many other industrial devices. However, like most things from the 60s, it has its limitations. Thanks to our continued work with universities throughout Australia, this has led to the development of several world-first technologies, from AI navigation systems, underwater acoustics and drone fleet platforms, to autonomous underwater robots, and more recently, our navigation systems set for space. We launched our autonomous underwater robot Hydrus, which has revolutionised data collection for ocean exploration. NASA and US space manufacturer Intuitive Machines will be relying on our navigation systems to land safely on the moon in their upcoming lunar missions. We launched Cloud Ground Control, which is assisting with emergency response and disaster management, particularly in responding to bushfires and natural disasters.
Whilst this facility will be heavily focused on manufacturing and automation of that too, we will be collaborating with UTS on extensive research to expedite the commercialisation of socially impactful technologies. Demonstrated today, as part of the New South Wales Small Business Innovation and Research Program, we have developed an indoor navigation technology that's set to guide visually impaired passengers safely inside underground rail networks and bus stations. We look forward to strengthening Australia's sovereign capabilities in autonomous sensing, bolstering STEM roles, and continuing to collaborate with our academics as well. So we look forward to this facility accelerating the manufacturing and production of a digital fibre optic gyro technology, also known as DFOG. These systems are critical for navigating situations where GPS may not be unreliable or not available, such as underwater, in storms, in the desert, or also in space. We are one of only 4 companies and countries in the world that has the capability to manufacture these strategic grade systems.
It is a great honour to be able to be here to witness what you're working on, but also the potential, the prospect of what you will all achieve. And I'm very grateful that you're doing it here, that you're determined to make Australia the place that is a beacon for others, and to also open up new economic and commercial opportunity. Well done to you all, and thank you very much for letting me be part of this special chapter in your lives. Thank you.